Hello, Inventor. Can you please tell us your name?
I don't want to.
Can you tell us who you designed for?
An ugly mouse named Ralph.
And what have you designed for him?
An ugly, smelly invention.
Can you tell us anything about your invention here?
What thing?
Or whatever you'd like to tell us about.
You choose.
Does anyone have any questions for Ryan?
What is this?
So what is this? We'd like to know what this is.
Why does this thing have a hole? Oh, I'll tell you later. This is for this rope is for hanging for the ceiling, and this thing has to travel in the ceiling, and this is where
How can we travel
Ralph
on the ceiling?
can see. Ralph is.
So the question was, how do you travel along
Oh.
the ceiling?
There's something motor inside this rope.
There's a motor in the rope.
I think there's nothing.
A thin motor.
Hey!
We have another question for you.
You mean this hang on the ceiling?
Yes.
Oh, so it hangs from the ceiling?
Yes.
But people can notice that
Hey.
this
What?
thing
Oh.
if it hangs.
So the question is, won't people notice this hanging from the ceiling? How do
Yes.
you make it escape people's attention?
Hey. People will think that. So if you have to control it very well, so the people wouldn't notice it.
Oh, so it's all about the piloting, the control.
I have a question.
What's your question?
What is this engines? This engine thingies. Okay. This. Oh, this? Yes. This is the main thing where Ralph could. No. Ralph couldn't go in. He could explode in.
Why
He could. He could sit here or anywhere he could, but he couldn't go in here because he could explode.
And
Why does it? This is the cola motor. So if you put cola in here and shake it, then Ralph could explode out of here. So, and here is the helium tank, and here. The helium just bursts out, and here's the bomb tank. So if you inflate in here, then it explodes, and this goes faster. And if Ralph goes in here, then what will you think will happen?
Okay, so this is what powers the design, but it is also very hazardous. Did you have a
Yes.
question?
Yes. Why is this hazardous?
There's that question. What was your question?
Why did you make this?
To go very fast.
But it is too dangerous.
Oh, so
Ralph needs a safe vehicle.
your audience
But
would like to. Yeah.
but if it goes more fast, then it's more safe than get stomped or get hit by the vacuum or
So
something.
While this is dangerous, it is safer than being stomped by humans or
Yes.
eaten by cats.
How can we choose direction and stop?
Oh, how do we control the vehicle? How do you stop? How do you move forward?
Just
Turn
put
left
your
and right?
weight on it. This vehicle just stops when the cola and the helium and the bomb is gone.
So until then, the cola just keeps you moving.
Why it is? I think it's so stupid.
Ina would like to know, why is it hazardous? What makes it hazardous?
No, why?
Why did you let it to... I guess the question still remains. Why did you design it to be so dangerous when it's meant to help Ralph?
It is more than it is helping more. It helps more to Ralph because it is safe. People couldn't see,
Okay.
so you just don't need to just go in here or here or here or here.
As long as he avoids the engines, he'll be safe. We have two more questions. First one.
How can you stop where you should stop when it can't stop?
Are you able
Oh,
to
so you have to run in circles.
Really?
So you just want to burn the fuel? And what was the second question here? Our last question.
Now, oh, I have a question. But when this thing has it,
What?
what is this thing for?
I already told you, you nincompoop smelly.
All right, sir, please settle down.
Hey.
Once more.
When you have this one, inside why there's a juice in it? Hey.
So we have two last questions. What's the connection between these two parts?
If you want to go very fast on this, then you could connect this to this, and this will go very fast.
So this
I
is a
thought
sort of booster. And
if you want to go very fast on this, but this is fast all by its own.
and the last question is, why is there orange juice in here? Is there orange juice in there?
Yeah. Yes. For supply food when he's caught in a mouse trap.
I see. Okay. Thank you.
He's a plum.
Made with Doodlecast Pro.